Good morning, everyone, and welcome. My name is John Rogers. I'm Environmental Manager with the Utah Division of Oil, Gas, and Mining, and I've been appointed by the Board of Oil, Gas, and Mining as a hearing examiner in this matter. Today is Wednesday, March 15th, 2023, and this is the time and place for the hearing examiner proceedings for docket number 2023-011, cause number 132-13. In the matter of a request for agency action of Oventive USA, Inc. for order pooling all interests, including the compulsory pooling of interests of certain non-consenting owners in Brothers, Utah, 13-10, 4-2-16-21-1H well, in the drilling unit established for the production of oil and gas associated hydrocarbons from the lower Green River Wasatch formations, comprised of all sections 16, 21, and 28, Township 4 South, Range 2 West, Uinta Special Meridian, Duchesne County, Utah. We are holding this hearing with an anchor position in the Department of Natural Resources building in Salt Lake City, Utah. We also will be hearing testimony and presentations in person and virtually, and the proceedings will be broadcast on the internet. I wish to thank the division's legal staff, legal counsel, petitioners, and department technical staff for allowing this proceedings to go forward both remotely and in person. We'll take appearance to counsels at this time.
Mitch Mayo of Lear & Lear PLLC on behalf of Oventive USA, Inc.
Elizabeth Harris with the Attorney General's Office on behalf of the Division of Oil, Gas, and Mining.
Thank you. My counsel is Trevor Gruel of the Attorney General's Office. We've had some discussions before this, and there may be some issues to the proceeding with this hearing, so I'll turn the time over to Mr. Mayo for discussion of these topics.
Thank you, Mr. Rogers, and I'd like to reiterate what you said. Thank you and the division staff for time and effort in putting this hearing together. We know it's a significant undertaking. We really appreciate it. Before I begin with my presentation, I think it's appropriate to move to continue this matter to the April docket. At this point in time, given the complexities that arose yesterday, let me back up a little bit for the record. Oventive is bringing this compulsory pooling matter also on the March docket. Oventive has two other compulsory pooling matters, not related, but given the kind of complications raised by the division yesterday at the 11th hour, and given the similarities in the underlying documents in those three matters, Oventive thinks it's best to pull this back at this time, allow the board a clean chance to determine the legal issue, and then come back before the board and move with this confidently either direction that needs to be moved. And so on that basis, given the kind of last minute wrangling we've had to do, Oventive would like to move to continue this to the April hearing.
Okay, thank you for your comments. Given what we went through yesterday, and we have some issues that are outstanding that will be addressed in the board hearing later this month, and once those are cleared up and presented, I think it's best to go forward with that continuance, and I'll grant that. Division?
We're on board with that plan too, so thank you.
All right. Well, that was quick.
Mr. Hearing Examiner, would you like me to prepare an order from this hearing, continuing it?
Yeah, just to put that on the record, that would be good.
Okay, happy to.
So if there's no other questions, we will conclude this hearing at this time and look forward to the board hearing. Thank you.